Welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through how to buy airtime for your Airtel line through M-pesa. So go to M-pesa and go to Lipa na M-pesa, press pay bill, and then for the pay bill number, enter business number, which is 220220. Press OK and go to account number. Here you will enter your Airtel phone number. This one is mine, sorry, to hide this, and then you press OK. After that, you enter the amount that you want to send, and then press OK, and you insert your PIN number. It won't take long, about mostly immediately to about 5 minutes you'll have your airtime on the other line, and you'll be good to go. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe if this was useful to you, like and share so that other people can see this video and maybe learn a thing or two. Yeah, thank you.